Welcome to our channel PIPFA Online. Today's topic is a solved question of PIPFA public sector. Subject: public financial management, financial rules and budgeting. Application: federal, winter 2022. Question number 6. Briefly explain process of monetization of vehicle for a BPS-20 officer. What certificates are required to be attached with the case? Process of monetization of vehicle for a BPS-20 officer. Eligibility and offer for monetization. The officer in BPS-20 is eligible under the monetization policy. The officer is offered the option to purchase the allocated vehicle at the depreciated price, as determined by the government. Depreciation and price calculation. The vehicle's price is determined based on its age and depreciation formula specified by the finance division. Standard depreciation rates are applied to calculate the final payable amount. Approval and documentation submission. The officer submits a request to the concerned ministry, division along with required documents. Approval is obtained from the competent authority, e.g., principal, accounting officer. Payment and transfer of ownership. Upon approval, the officer deposits the amount as per the finance division's prescribed rate. The ownership of the vehicle is transferred to the officer through proper documentation. The officer is responsible for registration, tax, payments, and further maintenance of the vehicle. Required certificates and documents. To complete the monetization process, the following certificates and documents are required. Check mark application. For monetization, signed by the officer. Check mark no objection certificate, NOC, from the relevant department. Check mark depreciation certificate, showing the calculated value of the vehicle. Check mark certificate of verification, stating that the vehicle was in the officer's use. Check mark approval from competent authority, issued by the department head. Check mark copy of CNIC, for identity verification. Check mark deposit receipt of monetized amount. Proof of payment. Check mark undertaking, confirming acceptance of policy terms. Thanks for watching and learning from PIPFA Online.